Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Gounder, and I am the Head of Customer and Partner Lifecycle at Wise. So far, you have heard from two of our colleagues at KPMG speaking about digital transformation and trends in the manufacturing sector. To round off our discussion, it is important to talk about the how. For the next 15 minutes, I will be taking you through how to scale your manufacturing operations and accounting with a cloud ERP like Wise. So, what is Wise? Wise is an award-winning, cloud-based modern ERP platform. Wise is a scalable modern ERP platform carefully curated by KPMG Australia in collaboration with Microsoft. It is a complete business solution that handles not only the accounting, but also your entire business operations. Wise is a two-time winner of the Australian Business Awards, Supply Chain Innovation winner, and ERP Innovation winner in 2021. I encourage you to engage with our live poll on the right. The question is, how familiar are you with the cloud ERP? According to the Australian Productivity Commission Report 2022, due to lack of uptake of innovation and use of technology to modernize operations, productivity has sharply fallen. How many of you present here today have proactively looked at your manufacturing practices and assessed if it is the most efficient process you are running? As the common saying goes, if it ain't broken, don't fix it. But the question to ask is, what have we limited ourselves from achieving with this approach? Usually, any business owner or operations manager would be pretty happy if they could reduce their cost of production through smart ways of achieving an outcome. All by way of saying, how often do you review your practices to align with the changing technology of the day? As technology is changing every day, every business needs to review their operations to ensure that you harness the power of a scalable technology solution to meet your business goals. That is where Wise comes in. A scalable, modern ERP platform carefully curated by KPMG Australia in collaboration with Microsoft. Built on the Dynamics 365 Business Central platform, Wise has a great many features packed into it. We are motivated to bring operational efficiencies and grow with your growing business. We bring your entire business operations to the one place with native integrations with Microsoft 365 Suite, integrated payroll that is single touch compliant, and bank feeds that automatically download your business statements to your ERP. As a modern ERP platform, Wise has a strong focus on the supply chain. Understanding and knowing your customer demand, knowing lead time of your supplier products, as well as understanding expected delivery dates of your raw materials would help with better planning of your manufacturing, as well as keeping your customers happy through accurate default. Getting your raw materials in a timely manner, running a smooth production leads to meeting customer delivery timelines, as well as keeping your customers happy and satisfied. As a modern ERP, Wise does not have any restrictions on the number of transactions that you can process in a day. There are some systems which limits transactions and hence limit the business from achieving the desired growth and scale. As Wise is part of Dynamics 365 family of products, Wise can natively integrate with other Microsoft solutions to extend the functionality. You can harness the stack of technology to extend the Wise capability and get clear visibility into your business. With built-in functionality like landed costing, you can see the true cost of your raw materials and understand your cost of production accurately. Functionality such as automated calculation of master production schedules and materials requirements planning, which allows you to plan for the purchase of your raw materials based on sales forecast or demand created by your customers. Wise allows for a systemized process for your manufacturing practices, which includes MRP and MPS planning, route and machine center planning and scheduling, as well as utilizing a demand forecast that can be used to pre-plan purchases and production orders. With Wise, you can have total visibility into your supply chain. May it be when you need to know when your raw materials have been promised to be delivered, or when you can promise the delivery to your customers. It always is an important aspect in any business to be able to manage the customer expectation on when their delivery will be made to them. Wise is a complete business solution and competitively placed to help you realize great business value. What does a good manufacturing ERP consist of? A good manufacturing ERP software connects all the processes from start to finish: product planning, materials and parts purchasing, inventory control, distribution and logistics, production scheduling, capacity utilization, order tracking, customer relations and satisfaction, equipment and assets, procurement, projects, financials. All of these functions that complete a business, all in the one place. To give you a glimpse of Wise, there are neatly organized pages, and this one is an example of a production bomb. You can have multiple versions of your production bombs. Each production bomb is defined summary of all the raw materials that will be required for a unit of finished good. This summary is used in calculating and planning of purchase and production based on the customer demand and forecast. Every business wants to see a snapshot view of your business performance as soon as you log into the systems. Wise has carefully placed these dashboard views in the landing pages to enhance the customer experience. The all too familiar tools such as Microsoft Excel operate seamlessly with Wise to transfer data from your Wise ERP to Excel for you to work with. This highlights the native integration that Wise has with other Microsoft tools and talks about the familiarity concept. You know your Excel, Outlook, Teams. Imagine all of these business and collaboration tools integrated into your ERP. What are some of those reasons why a manufacturing business needs an ERP? Poll time. Do you currently use an ERP? You can use the poll on your screen to vote. Seven reasons why a manufacturing business needs an ERP. Real-time access to information, improves communication, allows for easier accounting, improves inventory management and tracking, better production control, streamlines and automates business, improves customer satisfaction, the most important aspect of it all. What is an ERP then? Wise ERP is a type of software that organizations use to manage day-to-day business activities such as accounting, procurement, project management, service management, supply chain operations, and more. Essentially, an ERP is a data gathering machine that translates information into meaningful financial insights that can be used for decision making by stakeholders. How can we help? Wise ERP prides itself in empowering manufacturing leaders to uptake the tech they need today, enabling them to start scaling their business. And that is a perfect segue into who are some of our customers who have chosen their journey with Wise. In the manufacturing space, there is a diverse range of customers from many industry verticals that we work with. May it be a food production type of business, a helicopter flight simulator, a whiskey production plant, or even a complex filing cabinet and joinery type of business. We have a solution that fits not only these customers, but many more. Wise has also lent itself towards creating great value for our customer, TrueBlue, who are chemical manufacturers, and through COVID, we all have realized the value of hand sanitizer. Bastian Cycles is yet another happy Wise customer who manufacture high-end cycles for their customers. A manufacturing organization such as Armadillo have realized great value with Wise. Armadillo Group offers top quality lubrication equipment and hydraulic parts, components and kits to the Australian farming and mining sector. Let's take a closer look at some of our customers. Profarm Foods is an Australian plant-based meat manufacturing facility. Being in food production and supplying to major chain stores like Coles and Woolworths and IGA, you can imagine the amount of quality assurance processes this business undergoes. They have decided to move to Wise so they could consolidate their multiple unconnected systems into a single complete business solution. There were multiple spreadsheets that were used in the business to capture data, to be able to make decisions. Wise has been able to replace all these spreadsheets, and the business is able to see the faster time to value to make accurate business decisions. Using modern manufacturing processes available in Wise, as well as leveraging the Microsoft ecosystem of apps, Profarm Foods has been able to get clear visibility into their material requirements based on their recipes and bills of materials and benefit from accurate costing to measure profitability. Today, we have also selected another Wise valued customer who have embarked on the journey to adopting Wise modern manufacturing practices. Ryan Aerospace have predominantly lived in spreadsheets and always had issues having the raw materials available in time to manufacture their helicopters and simulators. Precise manufacturing at its best is what they specialize in. With Wise, they are able to systemize all these spreadsheets and have a planning process established that allows them to never miss a deadline on an order. And who does not like whiskey? Heliers Road Distillery is yet another Wise customer who have seen massive improvements in their business process. They came at the back of multiple unconnected systems where they could not accurately understand the cost to produce a bottle of whiskey. Having multiple warehouses as storage facilities, it was a challenge to have a clear indicator of the volume of inventory and its value. Today, by simply looking at the systems, they know what is stored where and its value. Thank you all for your time today. You have been a wonderful audience. I will now hand over to Astrid, who has moderated the webinar and will be discussing the questions that have been posted via the chat. Over to you, Astrid.